What's up, guys? Stefan, S&E's Garage. Today we're going to fix the rear suspension on our TSX. Alright guys, title says it all. We're going to be replacing the rear sway bar end links on our TSX. You'll see here. These are good for a 98 to 07 Accord, 99 to 08 TL, and 04 to 08 TSX. One is for the left side, the other for the right. You'll see there's one number difference here. This is a 2, that one's a 3. So we're going to go look at our paperwork, make sure we know which is left, which is right. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go ahead, 19 millimeter, pull the wheels off. Alright guys, so we diagnosed this as needing rear sway bar end links in our inspection video. If you want to see exactly how we check them, you can watch that video, but it's real easy, honestly. You're just going to grab your sway bar and you're going to shake it, and you'll hear that there's some play in there, and you'll actually feel it too. So again, I'm just going to grab the sway bar. This one is worse than the other side, but that's how you check them. Now we're going to show you how to change it. So what you're going to need to change these, easiest way to do it is with an impact gun and a 14 millimeter socket. And we also have our vice grips here just in case you need to grab the end link right there at that joint to make sure it's not spinning, because that does happen pretty often. But we're just going to go ahead, get our gun in here on this 14 millimeter, and now you'll see in here, let me get you to where it is, right there, you'll see that the whole thing is spinning. So we're going to come in here with our needle nose vice grips. We're going to grab it, let's tighten them up a little bit really quick. Alright, now we're just going to grab this here. Let me put you down real quick, hang on. So what we did here is use the vice grips to grab the joint, and now alright, see, so it's spinning again. We're going to have to readjust and grab it again. Alright guys, we got this side off. You'll see right out of the knuckle. Now we're going to go ahead, get this side of the sway bar off. We're going to do it the same way. We're going to have to use our vice grips, grab the back, get it out. Alright guys, we got this one off. Definitely fought us a little bit, but it's off nonetheless. You'll see there's the sway bar side, there's the knuckle side. So let me just look at the paperwork, figure out which one is the right side, because that's where we're at, and let's get it on. Alright guys, so the right side is going to be JTS 7642. 43 is going to be the left side. So let's get this open, mount it. Alright guys, we got the new one in place here. We're just going to go ahead and thread our hardware on and then tighten it down. Alright guys, so I went ahead, got this one in. Everything's tight. We're going to repeat this process on the driver's side. Alright guys, we got this one off, and I just wanted to show you. This is how you're going to be grabbing this with the vice grip. You're trying to basically grab the stud to keep it from spinning when you're trying to remove the nuts. So now again, we're going to set that off to the side, grab our new end link, and get it in the car. And that just about does it for this repair. We got the driver's side done. Both of our rear sway bar end links are done, and we are completely done with the suspension on this car. Next up is tires, alignment, and it's out on the curb with a for sale sign. So if this video and this series has interested you, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Once this sells, I'm going to be looking for another car. Let me know what you think I should get. If you have any ideas or something you'd like to see me work on, I'm all ears. So we'll see you on the next one.